sun is out. It's calm today, not that harsh. Good morning, good morning. How are you? It's a beautiful morning in the countryside. I just woke up 8 a.m. I have my panga here, my foko jembe, a spade, some water, and a sack. I want to dig around here. Just this path as we had agreed yesterday. And we plant some sweet potatoes, some napiers, some cassavas, and we keep going. So we have a whole farm to work on today. Small sweet potato. Then I can replant it. So far so good. It's taken me 45 minutes to dig here. Outfit of the day. But I dig without sandals. No work. So we are done with farming the entire perimeter. So we just need to make some barrows, plant in the cassava, the sweet potatoes and the napiers, and some sugarcane. And we are out. It's been 1 hour of farming here. Hey, it calls for energy. So let's make some barrows. Like a trench, then a bump, then a trench, then a bump, like that. Done. So you're going to look for the napier grass, for the sweet potato vines, and cassava sticks. The sweet potato vines, we're just going to cut into small pieces like this one. You see, like this one. It's lagging. It's not attached to soil. So this one will not give you harvest. But look, these are the roots of the sweet potato vine. So the entire vine is coming from this point. So the whole of this other part is not taken. So we are just going to cut it. Like that. And here we have a sweet potato vine to transplant. So you see, like this one was a farm. Someone dug this one and threw it away. The whole napier grass roots. See the roots? The napier, how they are coming up. I'm just going to transplant it, same as this one. The good thing about these crops, you can transplant them. So this is cassava. It was just discarded away and I felt like it's good, I can just transplant it. This is a cassava that was uprooted, but it is getting roots, so I'm going to also plant it. The napier grass I've talked about. And here are the sweet potato vines. I'll cut them into small chunks. Some are this purple and others are these green vines. cassava plants, cassava trees, sweet potatoes. And toward the last, this is napier grass. Sugar cane. You see that this eye. It's another hour of carrying firewood from the land. And in the same errand running, I got this good fruits. From this beauty, this gorgeous fruit plant.